We are coming at you with just like a shoot the shit, or shoot the crap, excuse my language, sit down kind of video and just tell you the different types of products that we're excited to try out. So, there's a couple that I have on my phone right here.
A couple, you have a lengthy list.
Yeah, one we're both excited to try out is the Morphe, and I'll put pictures as we go. The Morphe foundation. Now, did you hear about this? They have the foundation, they have the concealers, and they have powders.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
And the foundations are going to be at $18. The concealers are $9, I believe, and then the powders, I think, not very expensive, but I think they're like $6 or $7. I think so.
They're relatively priced, like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
They're relatively priced. They're in the good price range. The other thing is I've been seeing some drama channels breaking down the foundation and saying that there's some issues with the foundation. Like that it's cracking. But it's,
any new product, there's going to be hiccups.
Oh, I know. But the thing is this is for a super matte look. So what I would suggest is using some sort of like rose oil or something, just a little bit, into your foundation when you try it out. Try it out without the oil, and if it cracks, try a little bit of oil in there, mix it around with the foundation. It might help. I'm not sure. That's just a suggestion.
We haven't even gotten our hands on it yet.
No, and we will. I mean, these are new products that we want to try that we haven't had a chance to get yet. So. But what products are you looking forward to?
We have talked about this for a while, and when it came out a year ago, Jeffree Star Cosmetics blood sugar palette has sold out every time they've had a relaunch or a restock, and
can't get our hands on it. Of course, it comes at the time where we're like, we don't have the money to get it.
That's pretty much every time. So.
Actually, it just got back in stock.
Yeah, and of course we don't have the money for it.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
and then she wants to try out, we both do. Ooh, I like the Calabasas.
Calabasas is a really pretty color.
Calabasas lip color, Jeffree Star.
This is his,
pretty colors.
The velour liquid lipsticks, and they dry down matte, and that's one thing I really love.
Did you know that you could put them on your eye too? Because it won't
They're
stain
vegan.
your eyes. They're vegan. They're cruelty free.
Birthday Suit.
That's
is another
cute.
beautiful one, and Deceased are two beautiful shades.
I want Calabasas if I ever do try it out. It's really pretty. It's like,
and they're priced decently. They're $18 each,
That's
which is
the
about
normal
fair
standard,
for lip, like a
price
lip.
to going for the liquid lips. I feel like I'm taller than you, which I usually am.
Pretty much are.
I need to kind of get down on your size.
Well, then you might want to go out. So.
No, I meant like get down smaller. Get down on it.
No. I'm gonna
you started it, so I'm finishing it.
Wow.
What else? Oh, the Physicians Formula. Excuse me. Formula. It's called the Muro Butter. It's like a eyeshadow. Looks like they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 or 14 shadows, and it's $18, which
Bucks?
it's $18, which is a little.
hairs.
I mean, it's a little expensive for a drugstore, but it does have some highlights in it. So if you don't know me, I like the highlights. So I'm so excited to get that, just to try out the highlights. And
I have never, that one
eyeshadow.
time you did highlight on me, I loved it, but I have never, I'm not confident or comfortable with highlight.
Was it the Becca?
I
It was probably the Becca.
have no idea, but it was on
Becca.
full week.
Light chaser highlighter. That's what it's called.
I don't know, but it was stunning.
That was like a year ago.
No, it was a couple months ago.
Oh, it was?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, no, it must have been the Becca. But anyways, that's one of the Physicians Formula palettes I've been wanting to try. What else are you wanting to try?
Well, we were just talking about the Morphe foundation. I'm really looking forward to trying the Morphe foundation. Tarte came out with their controversial Shape Tape foundation, and was it the foundation or the concealer?
It's foundation. The concealer they had previously, and then they came out with the foundation last year.
Shape Tape, yeah,
they only had about 8 ranges of shades.
That was horrid.
So, and you know, they fessed up to it. They said that they were working on other shade ranges at the time. So they said that they dropped the ball, which I can appreciate, that they're owning up to the responsibility of not having enough shades for a launch. So, but that was from last year. What do you want to see this year? Like, what kind of products do you want to see?
I don't know. I'm easy to please. I'm like,
okay, well, I heard about this NYX lip scrub that's $6.99 on CVS, and I want to try that.
speaking of lip scrub, Jeffree Star's lip scrubs. Like, remember when we went to the Morphe store in the Galleria and we smelled it? It was like,
I wanted the watermelon. Oh my gosh.
it makes your mouth water just smell, because it's
It's
edible.
too. They
It's
were
edible.
like, oh yeah, you can dip into it and eat it. I'm like,
that's an expensive little eatery here. Ooh,
so.
break the chair.
There's another one that I thought she might like, is the NYX Professional Blurring Primer. No Filter Blurring Primer. She's been using her dramatically different moisturizing gel as a primer, and that works for her as well. But I want to see if she can branch out into different primers to see if there's something better.
The problem with my skin, though, in the primers that we've tried over the last year, all crease right at my eyes, because I always have these bags under my eyes, and I get it from my mom. I also eat a lot of salt, so that doesn't help either. Shh, you do too. Wah, wah, wah.
No, I don't. Not that much. Like, the salt that we eat is just kind of like the flavor. But
I thought you said deflated. I was like,
flavor.
we need to deflate my eyes. Anyway, a lot of the concealers I've tried make my eyes inflate, and they look creasy, and yeah, it just looks terrible. And then it starts cracking, and it looks like I have like 10 pounds of foundation on it. It's just not flattering.
Well, that's why I kind of wanted to see if there's any other primers out there that would be better for you, better suited for you, like a non-blurring, like a no blur primer.
I'm one of those weird old-fashioned people that sticks to what they know, what they like.
Yeah, but if we're going to be beauty influencers, we need to check out everything that's
okay,
available.
folks, she's right. I'm wrong. Better?
She often goes to the store with me and says, she's right.
Well, we'll like be trying to prove a point, and I'm like, oh, it's on aisle 2, and I'm like, watch, I'm right. And it'll be on aisle like 7, and she's like, I told you. And I'm like, she's right! At the top of the lot. And she's just like, I don't know you.
It's
hilarious.
embarrassing a little bit,
It's
but
funny.
I try and laugh.
Oh, you laugh hysterically.
Harper,
To the point you almost
seriously?
pee in your pants in the grocery store.
She's bringing me the ball to my leg, like with her mouth.
I'm sorry.
Just saying.
Just saying.
What other new products? Like new products.
I would love to try. See, you've got me addicted to Morphe anything. I would love to try the James Charles palettes.
Yes.
Because the colors, I am dying to do a really bright, vibrant rainbow look.
I'll take the James Charles for the warm looks. You could do the
Deal.
bold and color looks, and we'll get it together. Don't.
Ow. I forgot about my muscle at work.
She's been busting her butt lately, so. What else? There was another thing. Oh, there was talks of, so Shane Dawson did a series for Jeffree Star, and they're talking about doing a collaboration palette with Shane Dawson, and I'm like itching at the seams because I want to see this palette.
Doing the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson are going to be doing another series this year.
Yeah, I heard about that, and I can't wait. But
So.
I want to see a Shane Dawson palette with Jeffree Star. That would be like
That would be
amazing.
bomb.
Yes, and apparently they're talking about maybe putting a pig on the cover because Shane Dawson has this oh my gosh pig
Yeah,
shirt
that's like
that he
his
wears
signature.
every single episode of his.
It's clever.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So I want to see. I'm like,
Love it.
and is there anything else?
You're the one with the lengthy list. I'm easy to please.
The Infallible Concealer from whatchamacallit?
See, you start talking and I think of other things. I'm like, ooh, I want to try this.
From L'Oreal. I want to try that.
Which one?
The Infallible full wear, full coverage concealer.
Oh, okay. Concealer.
Concealer.
There you
Try
go.
not to be like Laura Lee and
Concealer.
try to say concealer instead of concealer, because that's the way she says it. And the L'Oreal Paris Unlimited Lash and Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. I so want to try that.
Can we please try the Morphe setting spray?
Yes.
I want
yes.
to test it against the Urban Decay's All Nighter.
Yeah, I do too.
That would be awesome.
Like I could wear All Nighter and you could wear Morphe and we can compare notes.
Please.
But it's, I think it's only like $12 or $14. It's not bad for like this was like 20.
That's
21,
one thing
22.
I love and respect about Linda and Morphe's entire line is that you're getting a quality product, but you're not paying an arm and a leg.
Yeah. And they still work, I mean, considerably well. It's just as well as luxury.
Yep.
You know, it's just, you can get more.
They're in a category of their own.
I mean, we've
Shout
got
out to Linda
the
for Morphe.
Dare to Create palette. We've got the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Yes! I couldn't help it.
The OG, which we
Yes.
definitely need a new one because this one's like going crazy.
It's well
Look at it's well loved.
We still haven't hit pan in it.
Kudos. And then we got the Vault from Jaclyn Hill. Like,
Where is it? Oh.
and we definitely want to try the James Charles palette.
Obsessed.
Like a lot of other stuff that's coming out from Morphe. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I was just like, this hair is so thick. If y'all could see how thick this hair is, I need a haircut bad.
Ditto.
Look at that.
Mine is
curled
all
my
dead.
hair. I curled my hair and it's just like,
Ow! Funny bone and it wasn't funny.
you did what?
I hit my funny bone. It wasn't funny.
Oh, sorry. But anyways, enough about your pain.
Thanks.
I'm just joking.
So I'll call you and I'll send you the bill when my arm is amputated.
Really.
I'm just kidding.
Anyways, we hope you enjoyed our chit chat. Kind of
It's a short one.
Yeah, it's a short one.
Short and
The
sweet.
last couple, like last one was long because it was the whole year of faves and bombs 2018. I will link that down below if y'all want to check that out. Let's see. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our tribe.
Tybe.
Tribe.
That Tybe,
Tribe.
man.
So, and share. Did I say share the video?
Sure, why not?
Share the video, please, and we appreciate all the love and likes and shares and subscribes and views.
Our whole 23. I'm just kidding.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Our whole 23.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribers.
We have 23. Yeah.
Moving
Which
on
we're
up.
getting there. She's like feisty today. She never like.
I'm delusional. I'm running on fumes.
Yeah, we had a bad night last night
It was rough.
with my episodes, but we're getting better. Anyways,
Good.
we will sign off and see y'all next video. Bye! You're a dork.